Somebody put fish food in this part, and they're not supposed to do that. Did you see it? Yeah, they're not supposed to put it in this side.
That's not who did it?
No, there's not supposed to feed nothing over here because there's nothing over here. But if they do that, they'll attract stuff over here. Careful. You know it's cold, It's coming from the spring back there, super cold. Careful. You don't want to get your boots super wet. We gotta go to Walmart, dude. True.
That tickled me. It tickled me there.
What did?
The water. It's in my boot tickling me.
Hey. What'd you get?
I got a leaf.
A leaf? Careful, you're gonna fall in there. Anthony, get out of there. Ain't nobody playing in there today. Anthony, look at that duck. Yeah.
I'll put the boots on. I'll put the watch all the way through. They walk all the way back to the
No. You have to take your shoes off, and you're the only first person out here. I don't like y'all getting in there unless a bunch of people's in there. Because you never know what could be on the bottom. This part's really quiet today. It's not loud, and that's scary.